In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your total Steam hours played along with a few easy ways to check your playtime on individual games and through your profile stats. Whether you want to see how many hours you've put into one game or get a broader look at your overall playtime, this guide will walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. The first and easiest method is to check hours played inside Steam itself. Open Steam and go to your library. Once your library loads, click on any game you own. On the games page, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see your hours played displayed there. This is the built-in method Steam uses to show exactly how long you've played that specific game. If you just want to know your time in one game, this is the fastest way to do it. Now, if you want a broader view of your activity, you can use your Steam profile. Click on your profile name at the top of Steam, then go to the Games tab. This section can show your hours per game and your recently played games. It's a really useful way to review your gaming activity in one place. Keep in mind that this method depends on your privacy settings. If your profile is private, other people may not be able to see your game stats, so you'll need to allow viewing if you want those details to be visible. Next, if you want to calculate your total Steam hours played across all games, you can use external trackers. Websites like SteamDB or Steam Ladder can help with this. These tools are designed to read your public Steam profile and estimate or display total playtime across your library. To use them, simply visit the website and enter your Steam profile URL. Once the site loads your profile data, it will show your total hours across all games, along with additional stats depending on the service. This is especially helpful if you want a quick total without manually checking each game one by one. Just make sure your Steam profile is public enough for the site to read the information. If it's set to private, the tracker may not be able to pull your playtime details. So to recap, you can view Steam hours played in three main ways. First, by opening a game in your library and checking the hours on the right side. Second, by visiting your profile and opening the Games tab for your per game stats. And third, by using external sites like SteamDB or Steam Ladder to see total hours across your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.